Today we'll learn about some more combinational circuits. In our last video we have done till encoder and decoder. So today we'll understand we'll learn about multiplexer and demultiplexer. Okay, so before understanding multiplexer, you should know what is multiplexing. What does it mean? Multiplexing means transmitting a large number of information units over a smaller number of channels or lines. It is denoted by mux, M-U-X. Okay, mux. When we are writing mux, it means we are showing that the circuit is a multiplexer. Okay, a digital multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. मतलब it has many input lines and only one, मतलब single output line. Okay. So in a multiplexer that is denoted by mux, it has 2n 2 to the power n number of input lines and select lines जो होते हैं, there will be n number of select lines and there will be only one output line. Okay, so if if n is equal to 1, तो 2n क्या होगा? 2 to the power 1 मतलब 2. Okay, so for if one select line is there, there will be 2 input. If 2 select lines are there, there will be 2 to the power 2. So 4 inputs. If 3 select lines are there, there will be 8 input lines. Okay, if there are 4 select lines, it means 2 to the power 4, that is 16 inputs. Okay, so if 5 select lines, there will be 32 inputs. ठीक है, ऐसे ही रहता है. So 2 to the power n number of input lines and n number of selection lines. Okay, and only one output will be there. So there will be 2 to the power n input lines. Okay, and n number of select lines whose bit combination will determine which input will be selected. Okay, so input का जो selection होगा, which input will be selected, it can be either 4, it can be either 4, 2 या फिर 8 होगा, not 5. Okay, so which input will be selected, ये bit combination of n selection lines जो है, मतलब n number of selection line, उसके bit combination will determine the input. Okay, which input will be selected. Okay. Now we'll see a smallest multiplexer, 2 to 1 multiplexer हम देखते हैं. Okay, so वो होता कैसा है? If there will be 2 input lines because there is only one select line, तो number of n number of select lines के लिए there will be 2 to the power n number of inputs. Okay, I mean for 2 to the power n number of inputs, there will be n select lines. So 2 inputs are there, so there will be only one select line. Okay, and one output ही होता है. If there are 4 input lines, so there will be 2 select lines and one output. Okay, so वो होता कैसा है? The circuit of multiplexer वो होता कैसा है? This is input I0, I1. Okay, so 2 inputs are there, one is going here, one is going, and this is select line. Okay, so select line is going here and select complement of this is going here. Okay, now in case when s is equal to 0, s जब 0 रहेगा, how select line determines the means select line के bit combination will determine which input will be selected. कैसे? Because if s is equal to 0, मतलब s is equal to 0, यहाँ पे ये 0 गया, so s naught will be 1, so this will become 1. So in this case, if s is equal to 0, I0 upper AND gate, this AND gate will be enabled and this one will be disabled. If s is equal to 1, s का वैल्यू अगर 1 है, in that case this 1 है तो ये 0 होगा, यहाँ 0 जा रहा है तो this will be disabled, तो 1 होगा तो this will be enabled. So in that case when s is equal to 0, कौन सा? upper AND gate will be enabled. Okay, so upper AND gate we can write here, upper AND gate. Okay, AND gate enabled. okay. But in case when s is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 है, in that case ये तो 1, this will be enabled. So lower AND gate enabled, okay. So in this way, select lines determine the determine which input lines will be selected, okay. The bit combination. Here the basic जो हम diagram what diagram will draw for multiplexer, that will be like this. I0, I1, two inputs are there, one select line is there, and this is this will be written as 2 cross 1 multiplexer, because 2 inputs and 1 output, okay, and 2 cross 1 multiplexer, okay. And this is the internal circuit, what is going behind this box now, वो हमने यहाँ पे show किया, okay. Now we'll see 4 cross 1 multiplexer हम कैसे करते हैं. How we'll draw that? There will be 4 inputs, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there will be 2 select lines and there will be only 1 output, okay. तो हम 4 inputs को क्या denote करते हैं? I0, I1, I2, I3, S0, S1, okay, and this will be output Y or something, okay. This is 4 cross 1 multiplexer. There will be 4 inputs and 2 select lines, because for 2 to the power n inputs there will be n number of select lines, and this bit combination of these select lines will determine which input will be selected, okay. Now ये कैसे determine करेगा? Because for S0 and S1 there will be input lines क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 होते हैं ना. So for these lines it will be उसमें कौन सा बैठेगा? That will select. Like for I0, in case of this one, for this one, this select line, first one will be enabled, okay. For this one, second select line, for this one, third. So it matters if यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे कहाँ, I mean S0 and S1 के place पे what are the values, what are the bit combinations for select lines, that will determine कि which input will be selected, okay. Now we'll see, इसको ही हम convert करके देखते हैं 8 cross 1, okay. So ज़्यादा difference, there will be no more difference, बहुत simple सा difference. I4, I5, I6 and input 7. So there will be 8 input lines, there will be 3 select lines, okay, and there will be 1 output. And again, in case of this one, this 8 cross 1 multiplexer, जो S0, S1 and S2 है, ये इसके जो bit combination होंगे, that will determine which input will be selected, okay. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1, okay. इसके basis पे what are the values, means कौन से bit combinations are there for S0, S1 and S2, that will determine which output will be, which value will be selected, which input will be selected for the output, and which will direct to the output. जो भी select होगा that will direct to the output, okay. I hope you understood about the multiplexer. Multiplexer you understood. Now we'll talk about demultiplexer. What is demultiplexer? Demultiplexer is basically the reverse operation of multiplexer. So demultiplexer is a combinational circuit in which that receive one input, that receive only one input line, okay, and transmit the information, the whatever that information received in one line, one input line, that information they will transmit to the output line, there will be number of output lines, 2 to the power n number of output lines. So that receive information in single line and transmit the whatever information they got, that information they will transmit in one of 2 to the power n possible output lines, okay. So whatever information they are getting in one input line, वो information they will transmit to anyone, like only one of the output lines. There are many output lines, 2 to the power n output lines, and out of 2 to the power n output lines, उसमें से किसी एक line पे ही they'll transmit information for output. Okay, but who will select, कैसे determine करेगा कि which output line पे उसे वो information transmit करना है? That is again in this case, again that will be done by select. Again the select inputs will, select lines will play their role. मतलब the bit combination of selection lines, the bit combination of select line will determine which output line will be on which output line the input will transmit the information. Okay, so that will be selected by again the select lines. Okay, so demultiplexer is denoted by DMUX. Okay, so first of all we'll see for 1 cross 4 DMUX. Okay, मतलब demultiplexer, उसमें 4 cross 1 multiplexer होता था, so 1 cross 4, so there will be only one input line and there will be 2 select lines and there will be 4 output lines. Okay, so कौन से this information what they are getting means they receive the combinational circuit that receives information in one line and transmit this information what they got in one line, that information they'll transmit in any of means one of 2 to the power n lines, one of 2 to the power n output lines. So there are 2 to the power n, there are 2 select lines, there are 2 to the power n मतलब 2 to the power 2. Okay, so 4 output lines are there, तो any one किसी एक ही output line पे there that will they will transmit information what they got, what they received here. Okay, so again there will be 2 select lines, the number of output lines अगर 2 to the power n है there will be n number of select lines, so for 4 output lines there will be 2 select lines. Okay, and the select lines, the bit combination of select line will determine कि which output line will get the information, जो कि ये received information वो कौन से bit कौन से output line को transmit करेगा. That output line will be determined by the bit combination of the select lines. Yes, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.